So welcome back to the part 6 of our new playlist in which we are converting the website into an Android app. In this Android tutorials, we are going to learn how to change or add the exit dialog in our Android application or a web view application. So first of all, we are going to see what we had done in our previous videos. In our previous videos, we had added our web view, our website, and then we had created the check action bar methods, added a splash screen with animations, and also we had added the previous, forward and refresh buttons. And in this Android tutorial, we are going to see how to add the exit dialog. So first of all, we are going to redirect to the on back press method, and below our web view can go back method we are going to write else, and then here we are going to code. So first of all, we are going to write alert dialog dot builder. So from here our alert dialog builder will start, and we are going to see new alert dialog builder, then write the context this, then we are going to write builder dot set title. So by this method we are going to add the title in the string format. So here we are writing, are you sure you want to exit? So after that we are going to ask question, then we are going to close this and again write builder dot set message. You can write any message, and you can also ask for ratings for your Android app for better improvement at last. So you can ask for the rating like this: thanks for using our app, you can, or thanks for using our app, share your valuable feedback to us. Okay, so here we had created this message. Instead of this, I am not publishing this app, so I will ask for you to subscribe this channel. So we are going to write subscribe this channel Android tutorials. To learn Android development. So here I had created this message for you. Then we are going to close this and again write builder dot set cancelable. So here you are going to say false. So write false. So when user click anywhere else from the dialog, he or she will not be able to cancel it. So after that we are going to add 3 buttons to our alert dialog. So set positive button. Set positive button will be yes, user want to exit. So first of all, we are going to add new dialog click listener. Then we are going to write finish affinity. This will close all our activities which are active in background. Then we are going to write builder dot set negative button. On clicking the negative button, we are going to dismiss our application, or we are going to dismiss our dialog. So first of we are going to add new dialog interface dot on click listener, and after that we are going to write dialog dot dismiss. Then again close it, and we are going to set the rate as button also. So first of all, create that rate as button with set neutral button. After that, write rate us, or you can also use share and many more buttons. So here second parameter will be new of dialog click listener. Then our method is created. Now we are going to write URI is equal to URI dot phrase. Then here you are going to write the string. So first of all, let's see what type of URL is being converted. So writing text OCR scanner. So this is movie section. So first of all, we are going to go in this and write anything you want. So first of all, we are going to write OCR text scanner. So here it application is loaded, and you can see our application URL is looking like this. Okay, so we are not promoting that application, so we are going to write the thing one code. So first of all, close this or erase it, and then write plus get application context plus dot get package name. So this will be our URL for our application. Till yet we had not launched our application, so for example purpose we are going to use that app only. So here that link is, and then we are going to close it. Now we are going to create intent is equal to new intent. After that you have to write intent dot action view comma our this URI. After that close this and start activity intent. So after that we have to write and close it. Now we are going to create alert dialog. For alert dialog we are writing dialog, then builder dot build, create, and then close this. Now we are going to write dialog dot show. So here our exit dialog is created. Now by starting our application for running, let's see what the result is coming. So in this Android tutorial on how to convert the website into an Android app, we had first created the on back press method, and this method was implemented before. So WebView can go back, then WebView should go back on our press. So this was in our if case, and in else case we was having the back press method, super back press method, simply closing our application. So here we had created alert dialog dot builder and give the variable builder, and created new alert dialog builder by simply passing the context this. After that we had set the title, are you sure you want to exit? So we had asked the question to our user, and here we had also set the message for the user. So here I had asked for subscribe to this channel Android tutorials, but instead of this you can write the thank you message or rate us message, so that user can rate you. And we had also added the set cancelable method, so when user click anywhere else from the screen, then our dialog should not be closed. User have to select positive button, negative button or the neutral button. So to create that we had used builder.setPositive button, and here we had written yes. So if user click on yes, then we was finishing our all activities, and then we had added set negative button. So we had created text for that no, so we are dismissing our dialog. After that we had created the rates method. So in this user will see that if user click on rates button, then we had started the new intent with using this URI press. So URI is equal to URI.press. Then this is our default link till here, and after there is package name. So you can write any package. You can write simply get application context dot get package name. So your URL will be completed and it will be dynamic. So after that we had started new intent, action view, URI, then started new activity. After that we had closed our this method builder.setNeutral method and added our alert dialog and write builder.create method. After that we had written dialog.show. We have to show this dialog in else method. So after that we had completed our this Android tutorial without any error. So if you had liked this Android tutorial, then please make sure you like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So first let me show you our result, what result came in our application. Fiverr.com. Here is our splash screen which we had created in a previous video, and these are our application with previous forward and refresh button and custom title. After that we are going to click on this exit, and you can see that we had created are you sure you want to exit method here, and subscribe this channel Android tutorials to learn Android development. Here we had created yes, no or rates method. So let me create yes. So application had closed. Now again running our Android application. This is a splash screen dialog bar, and when we click on no, and that time our dialog dismiss. Again after clicking that, when we click on anywhere else in the screen, then our dialog is not dismissing. After that, first of all let me see you a backpress method of our web view which we had created in this Android tutorial. So first of all we are going to click on it. Then we are going to click on backpress. After that you can see our application is loading, and when we click again, then it's showing this. Then as we had asked for rates, so when we click on rates button, our app store is running and our this application is loaded. So here from here user can rate us. So after that we are going to close our application. So this was our Android tutorial on how to add the exit button and convert the any website into a professional Android app. So thanks for watching.